this thing called a floppy disk. And what would you do with that thing with called a CD? Let's look at the rest of the tie. Voila. You see this guy here? That's what we call a PC. This is an old school computer, and they put it on a freaking Tabasco tie. But look how cool it is. You've got your CD drive right there. That little slot right there, that's where that thing called a floppy disk goes into. This over here is an actual speaker. No earbuds, kids. An actual speaker built into the actual computer. How cool is that? I wonder if anyone has one of these guys laying around. And for extra credit, I wonder if anyone has any circa 1992, 1995 ties. I think I could put all these ties together